Maxwell McHugh, a legend, the national record 153.59, set last year. Start with the C final, Madam Referee. Lane number 1, Matthew Fricker, Lakeland Hills. Lane 2, Hosein Califat, Green Bay. Lane 3, Nolan Dennis, Lakeland Hills. Lane 4, Benjamin Dupree, Red Bay. Lane 5, Calvin Wise, Springfield. Lane 6, Blake Fry, Lancaster. Lane 7, Logan Smith, West Shore. Lane 8, Anthony DeCash from Western Connecticut, early leader. Hosein Califat from Green Bay, Wisconsin. New leader, Nolan Dennis from Lakeland Hills. Yards to go. It's going to be a tight. Here we go. Nolan Dennis still your leader, but the field is closed in. Your winner.